So I would like to project the star chart onto my ceiling. There you see Orion's Belt, Rigel, Betelgeuse, etc., Sirius. So I'm going to take the star chart and I'm going to put it into this pie dish. Hold it very much firmly in place. Then I'm going to take a nail and a slightly bigger nail, and I may take just a pin or a needle for the very faintest stars, and I'm going to prick wherever the stars are. I'm going to prick a hole in this pie dish, and then we're going to shine light through this onto the ceiling and hope that we get a good star chart. So here you can see the pie dish with all the holes pricked in it where the stars are. And now we're going to try and project light through it. So I have this bucket here, and in the center I've just glued a little tube of black. It has to be a black bucket. Glued a little tube. I'm going to put this torch. This torch has got a little lens. It's rechargeable and you can switch it on, and the torch is going to shine upwards like that. We switch it on, we're going to put the pie dish on top, and hopefully we're going to see the stars through the pie dish when it's nighttime on the ceiling. So let's do that. So let's switch this torch on. So the torch is shining upwards. You can see the specks of light through the pie dish, and hopefully when it's dark we'll see those specks of light through the ceiling, onto the ceiling. So there are the stars shining on the ceiling. Of my basement, and I can recognize Rigel over here, Betelgeuse in the middle there, and the 3 stars of Orion's Belt in the center. So I think it's working pretty well. Look at all the star patterns. Stars exactly where they should be. So yeah, I think it worked quite well. There's Orion's Belt, the 3 stars. Rigel, Betelgeuse.